Here's your lab test. You guys did a great job on these. These are fantastic dissections on the eyeball. Okay, what's the outer portion called?
Cornea.
That's the cornea. Okay, we open it up. This is a nice one. This is really good. On the inside there, you got a hole. What's the name of the hole?
Pupil.
That's your pupil. You have an inner black circle around that hole. What's that?
Iris.
That's going to be the iris. Okay, now this is the back portion of the eye. Travis's group has the back portion of the eye, and there's some jelly. You see that like jelly stuff? Isn't that cool? It fills up the posterior chamber. Who is it? Vitreous humor. There's popped out, little M&M type thing.
Lens.
That's your lens. Now I'm holding it by the suspensory ligaments. They're very hard to see because they're transparent. But if you take it apart, you might be able to see some silvery threads in there. It's really hard to see some. There, you see it? There's like a little thread. That's your suspensory ligament. Okay, back of the eye. You have a yellowish layer that contains the rods and cones. Who is it?
Retina?
Retina. Underneath that, you have a black layer that's filled with blood vessels. Who's that? That's the choroid. Now, I don't know how well you can see this. But if you look at this carefully, it looks like the retina is coming back to that one particular point. You can kind of see like threads or something. Everything going back to that spot. What is that spot?
The blind
That's
spot?
your blind spot. What's the technical term for it, the scientific term for it? Optic disc. And on the other side of that, you have to have who?
Optic
The
nerve.
optic nerve. There's your lab test. I've just asked you everything with one exception. Underneath the retina, as part of the choroid, isn't that pretty? You got this silver, bluish, shiny surface. Your eyes don't have it. Sheep eyes, cow's eyes. You ever see a deer on the side of the road in the middle of the night? What do you see? The two eyeballs. The light is reflecting off of that surface. What's the name of that surface? It is mother of pearl color. You're correct about that, but that's not the scientific name. Okay, there you go.